Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Jody Love. If you guys are not subscribed yet, go ahead and press that red subscribe button and support your girl. Today's video is going to be a unboxing PR package from Imethod Beauty. They are 100% vegan and cruelty free. This set comes with 6 gel polishes. It's my first time trying this product out. So just showing you guys a preview of all these 6 colors that are included in the holiday collection of Imethod Beauty. I did already prep my press-on nails off camera, and I also used my card's base coat polish. So I'm going in with my nail art brush. I don't know what the name of this brush is called, and actually while editing the video I realized that the brush in the silver part is broken, and I thought it came like that. So yeah, don't mind that, but I am going ahead with the color red, number 103, and I'm just making a heart shape on the side of the middle nail. The heart shape did not have to look perfect because later on I am going to cover it up. It's just part of the design that I am creating. So here I am taking color 103 and I'm just creating streaks. My plan for this nail is to kind of make it a little marbleized as I can with the colors that I do have to use. So after continuously doing the streaks, this is how the nail came out, but it's not the final product just yet. We're now going to be using color 114. I'm going to work on my pinky press-on nail. This color, when I opened it up, it is so beautiful. It shines like a diamond. Okay, it is such a pretty polish. What was different for me was that I'm so used to using gel polishes, but this polish was not as sticky or thick, which I liked. So it spreads throughout the nail very well, and the glitter parts that's inside is like so tiny. It glistens so much. You guys are gonna see, it's so beautiful. I'm now gonna work on the index press-on nail using color 103, the red color, and it is so pretty. This red color is on the thicker side. Alright guys, so now we're going to be working on the ring finger press-on nail using the color 119. This is, I won't say my favorite color from the whole set, but this is one of my top 3. This polish is super thick. I feel like it's the thickest from all 6. This is the second coat here. Is Another color that you do not need to put 2 times, like you don't need a second coat. This one's super thick. It's thicker than all the colors, so one coat is enough, I promise. These are the 3 colors that I did not use on the set that I just created. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these 3. The first one is number 120, and this is like a shimmery light blue color. It looks metallic, very pretty. This one is not on the thick side. It is definitely easy to spread throughout the nail, so I like that, and I love the shimmer to it. This one is color 121. In the beginning, I wasn't such a fan. It was just like too pink, like too dark for me. But once I tried it and swatched it on the nail, it does look very pretty, and it has that shimmery. Look at that. So, so pretty. It's like little glitter parts. Love it. This one is also a shimmery one. This is like on the brown side. It's a pretty color too, not my favorite. This is my least favorite from the whole set. It's just not my favorite color, but it is a pretty color, and it shines the same way as the other 2. I love, love, love the shine. So guys, this is the final look. This can be either Mother's Day set, Valentine's set, just if you want to look bougie. It's kind of like bougie nails. And this is it on my nails, and look at how pretty it looks on. I love it. This is actually my first time trying on my own press-on nail set, so I'm excited about that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you, Imethod, for sending me this set and just allowing me to review your polishes. I had so much fun doing this video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Comment down below. Let me know what other looks you guys want to see, or any other videos that you guys want to see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Make sure to check out Imethod Beauty on Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest.